Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. Here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. So if you like any of those things, okay, any of those things, unboxings, fragrances, fashion, fitness, a little bit of fitness, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you want to make sure you never miss a video on the channel, hit the bell, and it will definitely notify you every single time a video is put out on this channel. My smile is so big, you guys. I am smiling from ear to ear because I am unboxing something here with you, and it is my absolute favorite. And if you've been watching the channel or following me on Instagram for any amount of time, you already know what it is. Certain things in life just make us happy. I mean, let's just be honest. Oh, I gotta catch my breath. Give me 2.5 seconds. Certain things in life just make us happy, and this unboxing is going to make me so happy. I get really excited about a black and white box or a black and white bag or a camellia flower or the double C's. Do you know what I'm talking about yet? Do you know what it is? Ta-da! Chanel is everything to me. I absolutely love it. This camellia flower is so much depth behind it for what it meant for Chanel, for what it meant for me. Okay, we're not here to talk about the flower, Sheree. I know. We're not here to talk about the flower, but you guys, I just love it. Little things in life that can make you happy. These things do not define me, but they definitely make me happy. So if you've been on the channel, we've been talking about spring fragrances, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new fragrance from the house of Chanel, and it is from the Les Exclusivity line. So let's take that out. I know I butchered that word up. Les Exclusive. So we're taking it off, you guys. Here's the ribbon. I keep these ribbons. I make this cute little DIY. You know, I'm not that DIY kind of girl, but I know how to do a few things with some Chanel ribbons and all the boxes and everything like that. So if you ever like to see a DIY video on that, let me know. And then here it is. Ta-da! Look how pretty she packaged it. I love the packaging. You guys, I am a person about an experience. When I come into the store, wine me, dine me, show me around, show me what's new, show me a good time, give me amazing packaging, phenomenal customer service, top-notch, supreme experience, and then I'll be back and I'll shop with you. That's just what I do. I like the experience. So I love how they package the thing. They have the camellia there as well. I'm just going to unpackage this. You guys, this is going to be, I would call this a first impression as well as an unboxing. I did smell this in the store and just put it on a cue card, and then I also put it on me and wore it around the store a little bit. And that's another thing. If you guys are ever sampling, as I open this, if you guys are ever looking to sample a fragrance and you're like, how do I choose the right fragrance? How do I know what fragrance is right for me? Spray it on your body. Let it sit there for about 45 minutes to 60 minutes if you have the time. You know, a full hour will be good. And then go back and smell it and see how it is. See how it dried down. See the longevity of it. Is it prominent? Is it really there? Is it nice and faint? Like, how is it? I always do those type of things before I buy. Rarely do I ever just walk up to a counter, smell a fragrance, and purchase it. And I just say that as a recommendation because you can save yourself a lot of hassle taking stuff back to the store by just smelling it, walking around, seeing how you like it. So it comes in the box. All of their exclusivity line come in the box that looks like this. It's beautiful to me. You know I love Chanel, so the black and white is everything. My wedding colors were black and white. I'm a black and white kind of girl. I just love the colors. I believe they're so classic, they're timeless, they're elegant, they're just everything that Chanel embodies. So of course this is the box here. We all know it has the double C at the very top. Tells you here this is 75 ml. This is 2.5 fluid ounces. It tells you that information right there on the back. I will also leave all of the information in the description box below. So just unpackaging it, comes in a cute little bottle like this. The same bottle, you guys. I always tell you that I generally typically go for the smaller bottles because I have a ton of fragrance and I don't like to have it just sit there and sit there. So I do go for the smaller ones. That way I'm making sure that I get through all of them. And so this just looks like this. It says 1957 Paris. Comes out, has this little cute stand if you like to use this when you put it on your vanity. That would be great. I love this little thing right here that says Chanel. Anything that says I'm Sheree, she's Chanel, girl, we got a lot in common. We got a lot in common. So this is what the bottle looks like. Really cute, nice, pretty. And so let's go ahead. The cap is magnetic. It comes with the C there. It is magnetic. There you go. Snaps right back on. So it has a magnetic closure for the cap. Nothing, you know, it's just a standard bottle, just very classy. I love the uniformity of all of the bottles that look like this because I line them all up and it makes me feel like I'm at the Chanel store, at the Chanel counter. I line mine up how they do theirs at the store on the top shelf. And it's just a neat experience. Like I said, I am a total Chanel fan, so you know, I have so many different samples that they gave me in here, okay? So many different things. I kept my napkin from the night. Ooh, I sprayed it on here as well. It was very nice. I'm just such a Chanel girl. So I am going to spray it on a card. I got some cute little cards to spray it on, and I'm also going to spray it on myself. Like I said, this is going to be a first impression, and then I will come back and do a complete full review, but I did pick this up because I did smell it. I loved it. I was waiting for it. So it came out November 2018, but it was only available in New York, and it came out at the first flagship store, the Chanel Boutique store there on 57th is where they got the 57 from the title for the name, and then the 19th is Chanel's actual birthday, which is August 19th, and my birthday is August 14th. Hello, yeah, we're sisters. Anyways, so yeah, so that's where the name came from, 1957. There's a lot of history behind it. I'll put some in the information box below if you want to look into that, or you can always Google it. But I love Chanel fragrances because they always tell a story. There's always a little bit of history behind them. Everything is specific. Everything is for a reason. 1957 is just not 1957. We just decided to go at 1986, 1932. You know, I love the meaning behind it. So if you are a geek and you love Chanel history like I do, I'll leave a little bit of information in. But for the sake of this video, when I come back and review it, we may dive deeper into detail with the history behind the name. But for today, I just want to show you this. So we have our card here. We're going to unbuy it. We'll see how our sprayer works here. Excitement's in the air. Ooh. Okay, right away when I first spray it, and I spray it on the card because I'm gonna spray it there, and then I'm actually gonna spray it on me as well. I'm on my way out to church, so I'm gonna wear this for today, and I am super, oh my god, you guys, it just smells so good. So initially, when I first smell it, I smell fresh, I smell clean. Oh, I don't want to say, I smell fresh, I smell clean, I smell timeless, I smell class. She smells money. Hello. I smell sexy, I smell elegance. I love the way these fragrances make me feel. It's undeniable. I love the way they make me feel. They just make me feel so classy, so sophisticated, so elegant. Just everything that it embodies. So let me give you some of the notes here. OMG, yes, I am wearing this. It just makes me happy. It smells like fresh and clean in the initial opening, almost like a fresh, clean soap, but not like just a soapy soap, like a really good, you know, luxurious soap. You know how sometimes you'll stay in those fancy hotels, or you'll go some really, really fancy for dinner, like the Waldorf or somewhere like that, and they have those really nice soaps and lotions that smell really fresh and clean. That is what I get initially when I first open this up and spray it and smell it, and then I get some drying down. It's a little powdery, it's a little woody, it's got something in it. Is that pepper? It's got something in it. Let me see my notes, because you know I got a card, you know I got notes. She takes notes, okay, because I only want to deliver facts, okay? So here's the card that they gave me with it. Oh my god, is it upside down? Yes, it is upside down. The numbers are reading backwards, you guys, but this is it, 1957. It's here. And so some of the notes in it, it has some pink pepper. It has 7 musk. It's said to say it has 7 or more musk in it. And it's very woody, it's white floral, it's powdery, it's got some honey, it's got some cedar. So it has a lot of different notes in it. It's a statement. It's a statement. It's a double take, and the point of class. I get a little bit of sexy here on the initial. Like I said, I want to wear it and see how it dries down, and I'll be back to give you a complete review and detail on projection, longevity, everything like that. But just the initial is amazing. From first impressions, I'm saying I would recommend it. I'm saying I would recommend it because it just smells, it's gonna open. I know it is, because when I sprayed it on me that night and let it sit on me for a while, it opened up and developed, and it came out even a little bit more what would I say, sultry. It just grabbed to the body and to the skin, and whatever your body chemistry is, it's gonna be different from all of us, but that's what it came out for me. Always know that no matter what anyone tells you, fragrance is always gonna be different on each of us. You know, your body chemistry, my body chemistry. For me, for what I like, it has a lot of the fragrances and a lot of the scents in it that I like. What would be the white floral. I love the honey. The honey is there. It's not prominent, but you can definitely smell it. I smell cedar. I smell bergamot. I smell a little bit of, there's several different musk in it that's in there, but it's not a musky like a old, okay, oh my god, I hate using the word old, but it's not a musky like, you know, like an old musk. It's a very floral, white, juicy, can I use that word, juicy? Juicy. It's a white, floral, juicy, powdery, rich kind of musk, okay? It's that kind of musk. It's not your old musk that you've been sitting in the closet with mothballs, you know what I mean? It's not like that kind of musk, like, oh my god, spray some musk to cover up the smell. No, it's like a really good, fresh, clean, luminous, rich kind of musk. I'm gonna describe it as that. So then you would ask me, Sheree, where could I wear this to? I would say you can wear this anywhere. I would say you can wear this anywhere. It's very fresh, it's very clean, it's perfect for this season. I definitely say if you want to get something to go in your spring and summer fragrance collection, still sticking with spring and summer, this would be one to choose. It's it could be worn day or night. I feel it definitely feels a day fragrance, however it could be worn as at night as well. Age demographic, I don't think it's age defined, but I definitely wouldn't see a young person or a teenager in this. I'm definitely saying 20 and up, maybe mid-20s and up. It's very much in that range. It just smells like you're a woman, you've got class, you know where you're going, what you're doing, and why you showed up. But at the same time, it has a little, it's lighter, so it's not so formal. It's not as formal as a noir, you know what I mean? It's not as formal as Coco Noir, nor is it as sexy or as heavy or as date night oriented as that one. It's more on a brunch, you know what I mean? You're going somewhere, you're meeting a friend for brunch, maybe you're meeting a colleague for lunch or something like that. I like to keep it playful, so I'm wearing this out of the office, I'm meeting my guy, hello, after work or something like that, or maybe on a Saturday for like a late lunch or early dinner, something like that, and I spray this on, we lean in, and he definitely is gonna remember me, you know what I mean? It's definitely gonna leave you with a sense of, oh, she smelled really nice, you know what I mean? Like she smelled like she cared about herself, she took care of herself. This fragrance makes me think she just cares. She's well manicured, her nails are done, you know what I mean? She's definitely, you know, moisturizing, hello? She's definitely putting her under eye cream on. It's that kind. You care, because it does smell so clean and so sweet, but as it's drying down, I'm smelling more powder, I'm smelling more honey, like I said, a nice grab of musk in different areas like that, some cedar, the pink pepper is definitely there. It's not prominent, but it's definitely in there. I'm going to list some of the other notes right here below so you can see some of those as well. But my initial, you guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. I know I'm biased, so it's hard for you to take my opinion because I do love Chanel so much, but honestly, I wouldn't steer you wrong. Even no matter how much I love Chanel or any other house or fragrance brand, I am always going to tell you the truth. This is a pretty penny. I have my receipt. This is retailing for $200, and then with tax, you know, depending on where you are, so it'll go 200 plus tax, so that's a pretty penny to pay for a fragrance. So I'm always going to keep it honest with you guys, 100% honesty here on this channel. These are my own fragrances, these are my own opinions. If something is ever sponsored, given, donated, gifted, whatever, I'll always tell you. But this is what this is, and it smells absolutely amazing to me. It's drying down, it's just nice. I wouldn't say it's not a sexy, it's not a double like, oh my god, you know, like somebody's gonna do that, but it's a very nice, captivating, classy, it's just classy. I think that's where I would categorize it. I would put it in the sense of fun, flirty, not really flirty, but fun, classy. It just makes me feel good. It makes me feel like elegant, sophisticated, classy. It makes me feel like money. I smell money. I can see myself. Oh my gosh, can I tell a story? Do I have enough time to tell a story? Because as I'm spraying this, okay, ladies, guys, everybody can come for this journey, okay? You have just taken your shower, you've gotten out, you sprayed yourself, you got a nice outfit that you're ready to put on, okay? Something that just looks good, something that you feel very confident in. Your hair's done, you've got your, if you wear makeup, wear makeup. If you don't, then go out bare face. It's up to you. I don't judge here. You do whatever you do. You get in your car, you put the sunroof back, okay? You don't have a sunroof, no big deal. Let the windows down, all four of them, or both of them. I don't know. So you let that down, your hair's blowing in the wind, you don't have hair, it's okay, put a hat on or just let it blow through your scalp. It doesn't matter. And you're almost like riding along the coast of the PCH highway. You don't know what the PCH highway, Pacific Coast Highway. Think of a beach, think of something like near the ocean, and you're just riding. It's about 65, maybe even 75 degrees. The sun is out, but it's not prominent, hidden down on you, but it's definitely definite shining. The water is glistening and you're just driving down the road. Maybe you have something playing like Sade, maybe something like Jill Scott, maybe something like I don't know, no, not Madonna. It's not Madonna. It's on that vibe. Vivian Green, Jill Scott, Sade, something on that realm is where it is, and it's just classy, and you have the nice pair of sunnies that you've ever worn, okay, and you're getting your entire life. That's what this fragrance gives me. I know there's tons of notes and hues and all that in there, but I always connect fragrance to an emotion, how it makes me feel, what it makes me feel like doing. I'm wearing this today because I will be going down by the ocean for brunch, and I just think this is a perfect fragrance to wear down there. I think it's gonna pair very well, you guys. This has been so much fun. I love this fragrance. I will be back next week to give you a complete, or the week after, because we got so much fragrance coming up. I cannot wait to share more fragrance with you guys, but I will be back to give you a complete review on it as far as projection and performance and longevity, and you know how it made me feel throughout the day, how it opened up 7 to 6 hours later, how I felt. Did I feel it there? Did I still smell it? Was I like hello, 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 or was it still there? As of right now, I absolutely love it. It's got a nice score coming from me just from the initial, but I will come back and give you the complete review and a complete score on that. If you want to see anything reviewed on the channel, please, I need your help. Leave it in the comment section below. If you have 1957 and you're already wearing it, please let me know as well what your thoughts are in the comment section below. You guys, it now can be picked up at the Chanel boutiques. It's no longer just in New York. It is now over. I picked this up at the South Coast Plaza, so that's a place that you can go and pick it up. They have a Chanel boutique on the first floor. The service is amazing. Shout out to the team at South Coast Plaza. Your customer service was top-notch, superb. Thank you so much for an amazing experience. If any of you are watching, Jennifer and Pam, thank you so much for an amazing experience. This can be ordered online now. You can get this online. It can be ordered online, and it said it ships within 2 days. It's over a certain amount, so the shipping is free. I'll leave all that information down in the description box below as well. You guys, I appreciate your time. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for continually to come back and support my videos. It means the world to me. Leave any comments in the comment section below on fragrances that you want to see reviewed, or some that you just asked. What are your opinion on this? I love the fragrance talk, the fragrance chat, so let's keep it going. I'm gonna keep these videos going as long as you guys are watching them. I am having a blast, but I want it to be beneficial for both of us. So if there's anything that you want to see on the channel, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If this was your first time, hold up a second. If this was your first time, I hope you liked this video, so please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to know when it comes out, smash the bell and it will notify you every single time a video comes out on this channel. Me and my Chanel experience are saying have an amazing, fabulous day. Until next time, guys, you know the drill. Be blessed, okay? Be blessed. Stay fit. Summer is truly around the corner, so definitely stay fit. And definitely, without a shadow of a doubt, definitely stay fabulous. I appreciate you, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.